Hey kids, did you know? Wudu is good for your body and your heart. When we wash our hands, tiny germs go away. That keeps us healthy. Tiny germs live on our skin. Water washes them away. Now we clean our nose gently. 1, 2. This removes dust and germs. Small sins fall from our hands. That's a big reward. Now we rinse our mouth. This removes food and bacteria. It keeps our teeth healthy. And our words cleaner too. Next, we wash our face. Dust and oil are removed. Our skin feels fresh. Mistakes from our eyes are forgiven. Then we wash our arms. We clean sweat and dirt. Our actions become cleaner. We try to do good things. Now we wipe our head. Cool water makes us calm. Water helps our body relax. Our brain feels fresh. Finally, we wash our feet. Germs and sweat go away. Wrong steps are forgiven. We walk towards good. After wudu, our heart feels light and happy. Wudu protects your body and your soul. Follow Sunnah every day.